My name is Kelly. I'm an account lead with mLevel, and I'll be showing you how to lay out a topic in Excel. Topics produce the questions and answers that appear in the game activities. One detail to keep in mind is that a mission can have a single topic or multiple topics. Don't feel like you need to have all your content in one single topic. Sometimes it's easier if you develop 2 to 3 smaller focus topics. When creating an mLevel mission, an important first step is determining the content of your mission. What do you want your players to learn? The answer will help you build out your topic. For this mission, the goal is to educate a player audience on Office Online. An mLevel topic is comprised of 4 parts, which you can see in the key at the top. Now that we know the goal of our mission, we can start to identify what content should be used in the 4 locations. The top left cell of your topic is where you put your topic title. In this example, I've named our topic Office Online Functionality. You can see that in A8. Next, I want to identify the items. Items are the things we are talking about or describing. They are commonly nouns. Some examples would be different software, different elements, devices, cities, or even people. In this example, I'm going to describe different Office Online softwares, so I've plugged those into the purple cells in that first column. The next step is filling in your attributes. These identify what about your items do you want players to learn. In this example, I want players to learn supported file types of each software, a description of the experience when using, and included and excluded features. I've added those attributes in the top row in the blue cells. Now we add the values. The values are the text in the orange cells. These are the true fact or true characteristic of our item and attribute. For B9, here I've listed supported file types of Word Online, and then in C9, some facts describing the experience when using Word Online. Some tips when adding your values is you can use this vertical bar or pipe symbol, so that's on the same key as your backslash above your enter key, to separate more than one true value. This helps keep your values short and as focused as possible. If you do have a topic that has some blank cells, if there's no true fact or characteristic to describe a certain intersection, that's totally fine. And you can also have the same values in more than one cell. So let's say PDF was true for all of our softwares. It works totally fine when they're plugged in multiple locations. Here's what the topic looks like with all the values added. I've used the pipe symbol in every cell to split up multiple true values. In this case, all the cells are filled in, but again, in your topic, if you have blank cells, that's no problem. You can also add distractors or wrong answers in the bottom row, like I have in D13. These are commonly used when the topic doesn't have enough data to generate multiple choice questions. A best practice is to shoot for 6 unique values per attribute or per column. Once we have our topic filled in, the next step is to write question templates. The question templates are used to produce a pool of multiple choice or true-false questions. You can have as many question templates as you would like to describe an attribute. You must have a minimum of 1 per attribute if you want the content to appear in a game. I suggest playing around with the different styles and choosing the phrasing that flows the best. Also, when dealing with lengthier content, I would strive for a longer question and shorter answers versus a short question and long answers. I'll walk you through the question templates I've added to show you how they work. We'll start with B6. Which file type can be used in item in curly brackets? Item in curly brackets will be dynamically replaced with one of our items to produce a question. Which file type can be used in Word Online? Which file type can be used in Excel Online? Then, based off of the true facts or true characteristics living at the intersection, mLevel knows what's the true answer. So when which file type can be used in Word Online is created, mLevel knows the values in this intersection cell are the true answers. Then it will use all other values that are different than the ones in this cell as possible wrong answers. D7, this question template works very similarly, just flip-flops the data elements that are dynamic. Value can be used within, so it'll bring up a value of this column. Fonts can be used within, number can be used within, co-authoring can be used within, and then based off of the question created, mLevel knows which of our items is the true answer. Lastly, in B5, you can use question templates to produce true-false content. So here you're going to have item and value, And based off of the combination loaded, mLevel knows if that statement's true or false. So Word Online supports the PDF file type would be true since it's bringing in this item and this value, but Word Online supports the .xls file type would be false because this value isn't considered true for Word Online. I suggest spending some time proofreading your questions. If you do need to make some changes to your verb tenses, capitalization, or making text singular or plural, it's a bit easier to do so in Excel. However, all of your content can be changed within Mission Manager once you upload it. If you have any questions or would like some additional training, please contact your account manager or email support@mlevel.com.